questions I get is, when do I know to splurge and save on certain items that I actually put in my wardrobe? This is going to be part 4 of building your wardrobe that you love, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to tell you guys how I splurge and save on specific things that I put in my wardrobe. In this video, I'm going to share with you my ways on how I make the decision on splurging on something and kind of skimming on the other. So I want to start off first by saying that a splurge and a save is going to look completely different on every single person. We all make different types of money. We all have different things going on in our lives. So splurging for me may be $400 and splurging for you may be $1,500. So let's keep that in mind when we are going through this video, that we all are going to have different goals and different budgets when splurging and saving on these items. That when we are saving and splurging, regardless of what it is, we have to still make sure that it's good quality. Some designers create things and they're creating things based on their name, and the item is purely trash. A lot of these designers do make handbags and shoes. Either the shoes hurt your feet and the quality is bad, or they're just not a nice shoe and people kind of jump on it because it's a name brand. But for us in this video, that's not how we're going to do this. We're going to do things based solely off of our own personal styles. So the first thing that I will always splurge on are my shoes that actually fit my feet. All right, I wear a size 11, 12, or 13. Jimmy Choo, okay? Jimmy Choo is a designer brand, but they also have really, really nice leather. Girls, if you can afford to get you a pair of Jimmy Choo's, anything. My feet are large, so I can't fit everything that they sell, but I can fit their things that go up to a size, dare I say, 13. Boots that I purchased recently from them, they are so nice. The quality is amazing, and I had to literally size up to a size 13, which is insane for me. However, the boot quality is unmatched. I did end up getting them on sale. It would have been a real splurge if I would have got them for full price, but I was able to catch them when they were half off. It's still a splurge because they were still kind of high, but it definitely wasn't that original price. So when it comes to buying my shoes, I'm definitely going to invest in those and splurge when I can. Because I have a larger foot, most of the time the designer brands, when it comes to shoes, they do go up to bigger sizes. So I purchased a pair of boots from Splurg recently, and I already have the same boots in 2 different colors. But for whatever reason, the cream pair was poorly made. So of course, I'm upset because they're not made correct. It could have been just a bad shoe, but I sent it back. When I am splurging, I am still looking at the quality of the shoe, regardless of if I already purchased from the brand or not. That may have just been a bad shoe, but the shoe had to go back. And then it didn't have any more in my size, so I'm out of the shoe now. So skimming on shoes is a no for me, and splurging on shoes is a yes for me. The second thing I'm going to splurge on are my handbags. Now, I don't have a ton of handbags. It's because I'm not the girl that wants every single bag that comes out. I am the girl that's going to buy the bag that works well with what I like and my personal style. So I hope that you ladies are doing the same thing, because if you don't, you're going to buy things again that you're not going to wear. So for me, when the Bottega pouch bag came out, I absolutely loved it. I can tell it was a really, really nice bag, but I didn't really want to do the price because I didn't felt like it was worth the price. So your girl found a dupe for it, which is by Monsieur Gabriel. I'll link that bag below. I've done a ton of videos on them. I absolutely love their cloud clutches. The leather is impeccable. Inside of the bag is leather. It's just a really nice supple bag. I have it in white, and then I have it in like a taupe color. Very, very nice bag. And they absolutely add value to my wardrobe. So if you have not shopped Monsieur Gabriel, definitely check them out. They have really, really nice bags. They also have a mini version, which I did not get because you already know how I feel about girls that are tall with tiny bags. But I did get like the medium size one. So it's a really, really nice bag. Very affordable. I think the price went up, but it's definitely under $1,000. The third thing is gonna be jewelry. Now, I don't have a ton of jewelry either. However, when it comes to watches, when it comes to earrings, and when it comes to bracelets, I am going to go for those and choose the best that I can. So I literally always grab my David Yurman bracelet and my Michelle watch, my Majuri rings. Those are like my everyday things. So I'm gonna always splurge on pieces that I'm gonna wear every day. Y'all know I'm gonna get my cost per wear. So you want to get something that is 100% gold, like 14, 18 karat, whatever you can afford, you purchase that. Anything that is white gold. If you are a girl who likes silver, you can definitely still go for silver. But if you prefer white gold, definitely go for that. Get things that are going to last you for a long time and years to come. My Michelle watch, I got this watch when I was like, it was so many years, over 10 years ago. Shoot. Over 13 years ago, to be quite honest, and I still have it. It's in great condition. It's not all scratched up. I take care of my jewelry, which leads me to the other thing. Brass jewelry is really slept on. For me, growing up in New York, when I used to buy accessories from the Africans on the street, like African vendors, they would have beautiful brass jewelry. Very early on, I learned that using Brasso to clean it, it gives it like a pure gold look, like amazing. So when you are buying things in your splurge for jewelry, definitely go for pieces that you wear every day, or find pieces that you're gonna wear to a special event. The next section is undergarments. Now listen, you can skim on your bras and stuff if you want to, but you might have a little saggy hair. So we want to make sure we're always lifting and pulling those girls up. Make sure you're getting your upper body measured, getting everything measured, so when you are shopping online, or even if you're shopping in store and you just want to run in and out, you know your actual measurements. I would recommend checking your measurements like once a year, only because we gain weight and sometimes we don't realize it, and before you know it, we used to be a C, now we're a D cup. So make sure you're getting your measurements. They're free. If you don't know them, definitely go to Victoria's Secret because they're always doing them for free. The next thing is knitwear. I'm gonna splurge on my knitwear because I'm going to be able to wear it multiple seasons. When I mean multiple seasons, I mean winter this year and winter next year, and possibly fall. But when you're looking at sweaters and any knitwear, you want to look at how the item is knitted. Look at the details. Again, some designers do not do well when it comes to their knitwear, but then there are others who do an amazing job. You'll know when you actually pull the item and you try the item on and you're stretching the item, it'll make sense to you. So when I'm looking for my knitwear, I am not gonna skip on that. One thing I know that drives me insane is that if a sweater is stretched out, it drives me insane. So I'm always gonna look for the best quality when it comes to my knitwear. So definitely check that out when you are buying your knitwear for this fall and winter. Look at the items, look at the details, look at how the item is made, care for your sweaters. And if you do not know how to care for your items, definitely read those details in Google, because listen, online will help you figure out how to take care of your items if you aren't sure about it. The last part of my splurge would be my jackets, coats, and blazers. Guys, listen, you already know I love me a Lamarck leather blazer. I have 3 of them. They are amazing. I'm gonna keep talking about them because I think they are very much so tall girl friendly. They're oversized, but I think they're oversized enough to where they'll sit on our body and look really, really nice. Not over the top, but just a really nice, slight oversized fit. My blazers are the first thing. My trench coats are the second thing. I purchased a coat from Cos. It's 100% leather. It is different from the jacket that I bought from the Frankie shop, but this one is very classic. So let's say this, anything that you're buying that you're really gonna splurge on is pieces that you know you're going to wear all the time, or that you can wear multiple seasons. So if it's a trench coat and something that is a classic color, it'll be a coat that you have for a really long time that you do not have to re-buy again. If you bought a black classic coat, that coat can pretty much go with anything. You can dress it up and you can dress it down. So whatever it is that you choose, you're definitely gonna get your cost per wear out of that black jacket. So let's get into things that I am going to always try my best to save on. And the first thing is trendy pieces. The reason why I'm always gonna wanna save on trendy pieces is solely because I'm not a trendy girl. So my goal for my wardrobe is to buy things, if there is trending, that it really fits well with my wardrobe. I have purchased things from Zara, like this jacket, that is kind of trendy because it's a bomber jacket. However, the color goes very well with my wardrobe aesthetic. So I'm probably going to have it for a couple of years. I do dry clean the jacket. I take care of it, even though it wasn't super expensive, but it definitely cost money out of my pocket. So I'm going to take care of it as if I paid a ton of money for it. So something like this is trendy. I didn't spend a ton, but I also was smart about it, and I bought something that would work well with my entire wardrobe. So when you are buying things that are trendy, you still want to look for the better quality, because a lot of designers are pushing out these clothes really fast fashion, and the quality isn't great. Trust me when I tell you this, if you jot down how much money you spend on trendy items and fast fashion at the end of the year, you're gonna be surprised at the thousands of dollars that you've actually spent, and now you have to spend more money to replace them. So it's not really a good idea to just buy everything that's fast fashion or trendy. The goal is to buy things that you're gonna wear, like I said, and things that are great quality. So there you have it. Those are the things that I love to splurge and things that I love to save on for my wardrobe. Ladies, if you do not know that splurging and saving will save your wardrobe, you are missing out, guys, because there are a ton of places that you can shop now. If you want to get something that is very expensive, you can definitely find it on the secondhand market for a very affordable price and in great condition. So what are some of the things that you like to splurge on and some of the things that you like to save on? Comment below. Let's get the conversation started. I am so curious because my list is not really long, but it's definitely something that I know can help you. So comment below what you like to splurge on and what do you like to save on. So if you stay to the end of this video, please comment Coco we see you. Guys, I'm gonna link one of my blog posts, how to shop smart and save money, because it goes well with this video, below for you guys. Make sure you are checking that out. And I'm also going to link my style guides. You already know there's a few of them that you can select from, so have fun over there. Choose the best one that works for you and start choosing these pieces for your wardrobe that's going to make your wardrobe pop. So make sure you are following me on Instagram at Coco Styles NYC and Coco Styles NY, and my personal style blog CocoStylesNYC.com and my personal style services CocoStylesNY.com, and I'm on tickety top, guys, Coco Styles NYC, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.